Hi crafty friends. I am working on a project. I'm going back to my roots and working on some Christmas cards. So I was actually working on this off camera, and I decided to turn on the camera and whatever happens happens. So come along and craft with me. So what I did here was I have this card that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was a 12 pack card, and it is 5.75 times 5.75. And so I decided to just use simple things that I had laying around. And what I did was I took a scrap piece of paper that was the same size as my front, or sort of the same size, and I just folded it in half and I cut out a triangle, and I'm just kind of using it as a stencil. Now I wish I had a piece of tape, but I do not at the moment. I don't know where my tape is, so I'm just holding this together. So what I'm doing is I'm doing like a Christmas tree, and I'm just drawing lines. Now you could see how I did kind of a messy little job here, or not messy. It really depends how you see art. So I'm just gonna continue drawing some lines, and you guys can come along with me and we'll see what happens at the end of this card. I didn't really have a plan for this. I kind of just had an idea in my head and I was going for it. So that's what we have so far. So what I think I'm gonna do now is actually go ahead and trace this shape triangle. Let me just make sure I put it back on the lines. So I actually just traced it with a pencil prior to this. So maybe a pen would work better here. So let me find a pen real quick. Here we go. Okay. So I'm just gonna hold this and trace around. I was gonna use a marker to do this, but I did want a clean cut line, so I'm just using this instead. Okay, so we have this tree so far. So I think I'm gonna go in and go ahead and do some red lines. I hope I wasn't framed doing that. Okay. I think what I'm going to do now is pull out some inks. So I'll be right with y'all. So I'm going to give this a moment to dry. But guys, I have some other like fun stickers on my desk. So these things, I think I want to use them for ornaments. I'm just going to put a little bit of green on my finger dauber. And just go ahead and, I don't know, you know, ink in random places. That looks pretty nice. Okay, so now what I think I'm gonna do is, what else should we do? We could just go ahead and put some ornaments on here. So I think I'm gonna do like these red ones. Use some glue. So I'm just gonna put them where I think there needs to be some little bit of a adjusting. Thank you guys for coming along with me on this ride. I have sped up the video quite a bit while I was doing this and edited out some parts, but this is a unplanned card and this is how it came out. So I hope you guys get some inspiration and enjoyed the video. This is Craftmas Day 9, and I'll give you the word right here. Anyways, guys, I want you guys to always remember to be beautiful, because you can't be beautiful without being you. Later.